Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today we want to learn about Unit 1. Let's chat. Our topic today is grammar and title comparisons. Now we turn to page 11. Before that, we go through to the objective today. At the end of the lesson, students are able to explain about the comparison. Means that pelajar dapat menerangkan tentang apa yang dikatakan tentang perbandingan. And then students are able to learn to make comparisons. Maksudnya pelajar dapat membuat perbandingan di antara sesuatu dengan sesuatu. Let's we discuss about what is comparison. As we know, it is the comparative form of an adjective is commonly used to compare two people, things or states. When you want to say that one thing has a larger or smaller amount of a quality than another. If the second part of the comparison is mentioned, it follows then. Alright, here we can say that this one we want to compare. Maksudnya kita nak bandingkan. For example, two people, one people and another people. One things to another things. Now we discuss about the examples of comparison. Here is the examples of comparisons. My old mobile phone was smaller than this one. Alright, here we can say that we have two mobile phones here. One is bigger and the another one is smaller. Number 2, I think ICT is the most interesting school subject. Alright, this one is we want to compare about a subject, maybe one subject to another subject. Number 3, uploading a video on the web is not as difficult as I thought. Maksudnya kat sini dia nak cerita bahawa kalau dia upload video ni tak terlalu susah. Jadi dia nak compare sebenarnya upload video ni tidak susah. Right? Tidak terlalu susah. That's why it used as difficult as. Alright. It is a lot faster to send an email than a letter. Here we can see the comparison between email and letter. We can see that a lot faster maksudnya lebih cepat. Maksudnya kita katakan letter ni lebih lambat. Right. The more I use the computer, the worse my headache gets. Maksudnya kalau dia lebih menggunakan komputer, dia nak compare kan. Kalau dia masih lagi menggunakan komputer, sakit kepalanya akan jadi lebih teruk. Alright. And the last one example today in your textbook, I'm starting to think that exams are getting harder and harder. Maksudnya dia nak compare kat sini, setiap exam yang dihadapinya itu akan lebih susah dan susah. Mungkin dia exam kali ini senang, exam kali kedua susah sikit, exam ketiga lebih susah. That's why it said that are getting harder and harder. Alright guys, now we discuss about the exercise. I will explain to you and you will find out your own answer. Alright, young people have many ways to communicate with each other. This one is the first statement. Alright, you need to fill in the blank. Alright, it is much easy. Alright, easy here. Okay, you need to compare about easy here. To chat and keep in touch with friends than in the past. Maksudnya dengan menggunakan banyak communication, dia nak compare bahawasanya lebih mudah untuk kita chit chat, bercakap ataupun kita menjalinkan hubungan dengan kawan. Right? In the past, of course, young people hardly ever send letters. Okay, kat sini kita boleh dia nak terangkan bahawanya di masa lalu tu lebih susah. Sebab apa? Sebab kita menggunakan letter. And even emails are not as, okay, this one you need to find out the popular here. You need to find what is the correct answer, what is the correct words that you need to put in the fill in the blank site as the message services provided by social networking sites. Now we go to number 3. However, the in bracket common way for young people to communicate is by text messaging, which is becoming and here, yes, and here. And then the answer that you need to fill in here is cheap. Alright, if we talk about cheap, maksudnya murah. Common tadi maksudnya biasa. How you want to describe that one? Alright, over the last few years, smartphones have become, and in bracket the answer here popular. You need to find out the answer. Popular maksudnya lebih kata lebih glamour. Because people can use them to instantly send videos and pictures to their friends or even share them on social media. Right? Ini nak cerita bahawasanya dia nak buat comparisonnya. Kita boleh senang untuk kita menghantar video dan gambar. Kemudian kita boleh share dekat media social, right? How we want to use a popular here. Okay, number 5. Right, number 6 here. All this communication has its disadvantages. Maksudnya dalam alat-alatan komunikasi ni ada juga yang boleh memberikan ataupun tidak mendatangkan faedah. Okay, right, number 6 here. Not the answer. The clue given here, much here. The much young people use these ways to communicate with their friends. Right? Maksudnya macam mana kita nak adjust much tu. Okay, nak cerita pasal much tu. Alright? Young people use. Maksudnya nak cerita orang ni banyak menggunakan. Okay, menggunakan cara ini untuk berkomunikasi dengan rakan-rakan. Alright, and the little, okay, the little here maksudnya sedikit. Time they spend saying them face to face. Dia nak cerita bahawasanya orang muda ni lebih menggunakan alat komunikasi ni untuk berkomunikasi dengan friends daripada mereka berjumpa berjumpa secara bersemuka. Alright guys, this is the questions 1 until 7. I hope that you try to fill up this one. You can use a reading book. Not reading books. You can use a grammar book. Alright, to fulfill the answer, and you can, if you have any questions or if you already done your answer, you can write in the comment. Maybe I will check for you. Right? That's all for today. This is about the comparison. We compare about, as I said, two people, things, or states when you want to say. Alright? For example, has a larger or smaller amount of a quality than another. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.